What is up, guys? Sodak Silver here, back with another video. Today's gonna be a little shorter. That's why I decided not to use the tripod. Save me some time. Sign up. The first one here looks like a big box. Not much in there. I paid $18, and this was a mystery box. 1926. Piece $1/2. I mean $1. My bad. So I kind of lost on that, I think, because I paid $18 for this. Next up, I really lost on this one. I didn't do so hot this few for mysteries. First, I'll tell you how much I paid. I paid total $24, and I end up with 1 gram of silver and some silver shot for 24 bucks. So definitely lost on this one, but kind of the gamble of it, I guess, especially because of this one. I paid $25 for this one. Oh my gosh. If I can get it out here for you guys. It is that silver bullet that you may have seen me my YouTube short about. Right here. Paid 25 bucks for it. If you buy one online, I seen before I made this video, I looked it up. I seen that it's going for $80. So nice little win there. That kind of helps with these two losses. Kind of evens everything out, I guess. And another reminder, comment silver to the moon for a chance to win the American Silver Eagle. Please like, comment, and share. We'll be giving that eagle away once we hit 500 subscribers. Stay tuned. Sodak out.